Olkuluktan Noktrung tang Jawarang naan sing pa jau ba Dadenggre yang sung tang Dal lo chung ni ya jang Ko na ara nok sik Gappa do umat trang Gam tumbol wa amal gam Aro chirang chi bisik
I have always stood by that demand and we have always supported. The party has been very, very categorical and very vocal on the fact that we want to have the district. And we have also approached, along with my party leaders, our Honorable Chief Minister for this, and he was very positive in his response. The only thing is that if we are looking at carving Dadenggre district out of West Karo Hills, there are certain portions, especially Dadenggre and Dadenggre, the NGOs from where who have come out very openly and said that they do not want to be part of Dadenggre district. So that poses a very big problem because the Dadenggre district has to take into consideration the feelings of every constituent of that district in terms of what is being envisaged. But I think that since these objections have come about from Dadenggre, from Dadenggre, and have been voiced very, very clearly in terms of memorandums which have been submitted not just to me, not just to my block president in Dadenggre, not just to our Honorable Chief Minister. I think that these have to be looked into before we can act upon Dadenggre district. So having said that, again, our efforts are completely in favor of getting the district, and we do stand by that demand. But I feel that before we proceed further, we must take everyone into consideration. They're all our brothers, our sisters, Dadenggre, Dadenggre, and we will reach out to them and we will ensure that whatever concerns that they may have will be addressed before we move forward. So I think the integrated health complex that is coming up in budget is, I think, going to be a true showcase of the efforts of this government in terms of the push that we are making towards making health more accessible, more affordable, and this is going to be setting many new benchmarks in terms of the health sector. So I think that this is one of the hallmarks that we've been able to achieve for not just Dadenggre Constituency but for the entire Constituency. I think that one major achievement that we have been able to deliver in terms of a promise is the subdivision that we recently inaugurated, which was done by the Honorable Chief Minister for Jingjal. And I think that is one of the bold promises that we had made during 2018, and the NPP has delivered that bold promise as promised during the election campaign. Many other developmental works in terms of the Rampur Road, in terms of interventions for farmers, for youth, and in terms of education. So we have done a lot. I don't want to go into specifics of it.